What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyack. I am a master plumber and licensed HVAC contractor in the states of Florida, South Carolina, and New York. Today, we're going on a air conditioning service call that we're giving away for absolutely free. You've heard that right, free. For the month of September, we are giving away parts and labor to repair your central air conditioning system if you're located in the central Florida, Orlando region. That includes Orange County and Seminole County. So give us a call at 407-375-1100 or book your appointment online, saving time at orlandopipedoctor.com. This is 100% legit. Any part that costs $100 or less is free. So basically this includes everything except maybe a compressor or a blower motor or a fan motor, things like that, because that's well over $100. But if you need anything else, the service call is going to be free, and then we're going to follow up by doing a full Mikey Pipe Doctor 110-point tune-up. Absolutely no charge. I need you guys in Central Florida to see the kind of work that my company does. Give me a call, 407-375-1100. Do it now.
Hi everyone, Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're looking at, we're doing a maintenance on this 2-ton train system. Right now I've got the vacuum hooked up. I'm gonna take this panel off here. We'll see what they've got going on inside. And as long as amp draws look good, I'll shut power off and then check contactor coil, resting valve coil, and a capacitor. Let's see. It's a little dirty in here. Okay. Oh, is this not a heat? This isn't a heat pump system. It's just a straight coil unit. Thought it would have been a heat pump. Usually is. All we got is a contactor and a capacitor, nothing else. Is there anything in here? Not that I can see. No, just a straight cool unit. Okay, cool. Whatever. Alright, so let me get in for this real quick. Let's see. That should be our fan motor. Let me put the phone down. 4.95 for the compressor. That is, let's see, compressor. Fan motor's a little over current, just a little bit. Shut this one off. I'll try and do this without pressing the stop button on this phone. Okay, this capacitor is a 35.5. Let's set the phone down real quick. Okay, 31.2. For the compressor side and for 4. So I think that let's see, I think that the compressor might just be out of range. Let's see, 35, what is it, plus or minus what? 10%. 35. Let's see. Okay. Got the old capacitor out. The new one is 35.5, plus or minus 5% this one. Now I'm going to see if the amp draw for this here fan motor. Okay, guys. I found a little let them know, and they can decide if they want to do something about it, or oh, my fingers in the way. Do something about it or not. Let's see. Fan motor, you. 0.5 on the fan motor. So I think we're good now. So yeah, 0.85. So okay. Amp draw on the fan motor's good now, so we're good. It's just a issue with that capacitor. The unit's rinsed out, fans put all back on. Got a little bit of dirty. I think we did that later, but wasn't that bad. Contactor coil's good. Contactor seems good. I don't see anything looking like it's burning up or anything. So I think we're fine. So I'll put this back together, and then we'll head inside. Alright, so let's see. Everything in here looks fine. I already looked at the underside of the coil, it's clean. Haven't seen any blower yet. But it looks like it's probably gonna be clean. Thermostat didn't have a delay, so the unit, when it was reaching temperature, would just turn off and on. Set a delay in the thermostat now, 5 minutes. I'm gonna put it says you only need to put like 1 for every ton unless you actually have a clog in it. It says like put like 10 up or something. Let's see. And then I'll get some hot water to pour it out there. Alright, 5 minutes. I can hear the outdoor units running. Pouring some water down the drain, making sure it doesn't back up. Good enough. What did I do with the cat? Oh. Let's do that. Okay. Put you back in there. Put you back in there. Okay. Yeah, outdoor units definitely. Whoops. Okay, show you. There we go, that's better. Sticking my fingers in front of the camera. Get my arm to this thing. Oh, I can. Look at that. Okay, I'm surprised. That's great. I just noticed this disconnects all the way back there. Can hardly reach it. Barely reach it. That's great. Oh, hopefully no one ever has to use that. Okay. Blower's nice and clean. Very good. Let's put that back in. Put the paneling back on and finish up. Everything was good. Now I'm heading to the next one, which is going to take an hour and 19 minutes. So I'm going to drive for a little bit. And then when I get to this next one, I'll pick the phone back up to record that one. So I'll see you guys there.
So remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the Central Florida, Orlando region, and you're tired of getting the runaround from your HVAC contractor, call me, Mikey Pipes, at 407-375-1100. And if you enjoyed this video or any other videos that I posted on Mikey Pipes Orlando's YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you go down to the description box down below and click on that link to give me a Google review. It would mean the world to me. Right now we're at 39 reviews, 5-star reviews for Pipe Doctor Home Services in Orlando, Florida. I need to get to 100 by tomorrow evening. We have 27 hours remaining. It is a little before 3 p.m. on Thursday, the 5th of September. Come on, guys. Let's get a Google review for me and Pipe Doctor. Get to the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.